Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can create a custom URL on LinkedIn. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add a custom URL in LinkedIn. So first thing that you're going to do is to log into your LinkedIn account. Okay, and then after that, you have here me option. So you just have to simply tap on this one. Okay, and then you have to tap on the view profile option and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here at the right side you have this public profile and URL. So if you want to customize this one, just simply tap on the pencil icon and then another tab will open. So tap on the pencil icon once again to personalize the URL for your profile. Okay, and then here your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers and do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters. So you just have to add here now your new custom URL, and then after that, you just have to tap on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.